Hey guys, real quick, I just want to run through an issue I had on this four-wheeler. This is an '07, late '07 Sportsman 500 EFI. So the guy brought it in because it was like backfiring. It was like a fuel issue. He thought it was a carburetor, but it's not carbureted. It is, in fact, EFI, right there. And so I went through all the sensors and did tests on the throttle position sensor and the mass airflow sensor, all these things, the coil, and I put my spark tester on it, and I noticed that I was losing spark. You give it throttle, randomly it would lose spark, and then it would come back, and then sometimes it wouldn't come back, it would die completely out, start right back up, and I'd have spark. But it was really iffy. So I didn't really know what was going on. So I knew it was a spark-related issue, just wasn't sure what. So I was almost thinking it possibly was the ECU, but I'm not sure, and I wasn't going to do part scanning at this thing. So I was pretty much done with this. I was going to give up on it because I really don't like working on stuff this in depth if I can help it. And so I was like just about ready to wrap it up. And I wanted to check the output of the battery voltage while it was running. And it was like 14.5 volts. It was good. But I noticed that the battery cable was wiggly, positive. So I was like, well, that's weird. So I tightened it up. It only tightened like a quarter turn, and it was still loose. So then I look, and the bolt, which you won't see it because I replaced it, but the bolt for the battery had been replaced because the battery had been replaced about a month ago, according to the owner, and the bolt was too long. So this positive cable was just wiggling all over the place. So I replaced it with the proper bolt, started up, and it ran perfect. It's really weird. I'll show you what it was doing right here. And you can see the spark would drop in and out randomly. And I really think it had everything to do with that battery connection. I didn't think to check that because it seemed like ignition related. So just putting it out there. Very first thing you should check is the simple things like the battery connection. So if this helps somebody out, I feel kind of dumb because I should have known, but I wasn't working in that area. But I'll know for next time that I'm going to check the simple stuff first. So yeah, fires right up, runs great. Check your battery, I guess.